How to draw Nezuko. Draw 2 circles first. Then apply eyelids. A thin outline on the eyelids. Pointy tail. Then fill in black. Same on the other side. Then draw the lower eyelids. Upper eyelid plus a few eyelashes. Note that the eyelashes at the end of the eyes are long and upturned. Draw a double eyelid. Lower eyelashes. Then draw 2 circles like this, one big and one small. Pupil and highlight. Pupil blackening. Same thing on the other side. And then a light shadow is applied to a portion of it. The sense of sun will come out. Your bean's eyes are done.